frequently asked question by individuals who are drinking want to know what's the best test to take. In the state of Nevada, if you're pulled over and the police officer has probable cause, or what's known as a reasonable suspicion to make a stop, they can, by talking about their ability to smell alcohol, they can engage in what's known as a field sobriety test. And one of the frequent questions asked is, do I have a choice if they do what's called a preliminary breath test, and it's with a device. And under the implied consent law, you're required to submit to the tests. In addition, the field sobriety test will be administered. If the officer then feels that they have sufficient probable cause, either by failure of the field sobriety test or by failing the preliminary breath test, they'll take you down to the jail or the police station to make a determination of whether you are going to have a breath test or a blood test. And they have to give you that choice if it's a first offense. If they suspect drugs, they can do a drug test or a blood test or a blood draw. In addition, if they believe that you have prior convictions for DUI, they can also do a blood draw. There is now no longer an ability to choose to not take the test or to take a test. You have to take a test, otherwise they'll do a forcible blood draw where you're pinned by 5 officers with the extremities, and a nurse will then draw the blood from you. The decision to take either a breath test or a blood test generally is presumed to be better to take a blood test, a voluntary blood test, for purposes of a DUI.